Imagine last month you paid 40 rupees for tomatoes and this month you are getting at 32 rupees. Feels or sound like some magic? No, it's not a magic, it's completely economics. Let's see. Good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss a very important current affairs topic which is related to our economics subject. This topic is very important. Why? Because it's directly related to our daily lives like food prices, pocket money, and course related expenses. Yes, today I'm talking about the inflation. Inflation at 7-year low and how it affects students, family, and Indians' economy. Imagine last month you paid 40 rupees for tomatoes. Today you are getting them for only 32 rupees. Feels like a magic? Right. Well, it's not a magic, it's economics in action. And the numbers are shocking. India's retail inflation has just dropped to 1.55% in July 2025, the lowest we have seen since 2017. Before we get into why this happened, let's break this down. See, inflation means the rate at which prices of goods and services rise, right? Normally in India, the RBI tries to keep it between 2% to 6%. But in July, it fell away below to 1.55%. That's almost like the economic saying, relax, prices are not running away from you. Yet, biggest reason, food prices crash. Vegetables are down by about 20.7%, pulses by 13.8%. Seasonal effect, good harvest, and the lower demand have pulled price down. Even the core inflation, which removes the food and fuels, is steady at the round of 4% only. So what about the RBI stand over all this, Raita? See, the RBI has kept its interest rate steady at 5.5%. Why? Because while low inflation sounds good for us consumers, it can hurt farmers and producers if prices fall too much. Pulse, global uncertainties like US tariff on Indian goods could slow down the growth. So, what it means for you, what you get. So, for a student, your daily expenses drop. If you spend 300 a day on food, you might now spend 240 and saving the money of rupees 60. Over a month, that's 1800 in your pocket. Enough for books, course, or even weekend fund. For family, lower essential cost means better monthly budgeting, right? And for farmers, it's tricky. Lower selling price can squeeze their income, especially when their input costs are high. Just understand it with the example. Suppose a Rohan, a college student, he spent 9,000 a month on food. Now with the price down, he spent only 7,200. That 1,800 saving. So he enrolled in an online skill course. That's how macroeconomics connects directly to micro choices. So what next? See, experts says this might be the lowest point. Inflation could rise again in early 2026. RBI is watching closely, and if inflation stay low, interest rate might come down, making education loan cheaper. So, you have noticed price dropping in your area, and if you are saving money, what's the first thing you would spend it on? Comment below. Let's see the most creative answer. Have you noticed price dropping down in your area? So if you saving a money, so what's the first thing you want to spend over it? Comment below. Let's see how the creative answer is here. Thank you.